So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you all about Claude. It's another AI tool made by Anthropic, the same as ChatGPT and Bard, but basically, it's above those two. I'm just telling you that it's actually a better version of GPT-4 and Bard. So let's get started right here. Almost forgot before I get started, just a few reminders that if you're watching this on your MacBook or your laptop or any Apple devices, please stay on the video because even though I'm using a Windows OS right here, basically it's the same thing. It will work on your end also. Second is that while I'm creating this video, Claude is only available for the US and Canada. So before proceeding on this one, make sure that you have access on your region. Next is gonna be Claude is available, or rather you need an account to use Claude. So basically you need to create an account using Gmail and then you're good to go. So let's get started. So this is going to be the landing page of Claude. I have an account logged in and this is how it looks like. So first things first, I want you to take note on this one. Try these examples, and as you can see I have a history ready because I tried Claude earlier. So if I go back right here, it will reread my history right there, everything I input earlier. So before we get started, I just want to let you know that Claude doesn't have a web access just yet, but it is more updated with data as of now of 2023, which is on GPT-4 and Bing, or rather Bard. It's not updated to 2023. So let's get started. For example, I just want to click on this one, help me practice my Spanish vocabulary. So as you can see, I just clicked that specific phrase and Claude gave me a prompt, this sentence right here or this essay. So here is the first Spanish word, house, for casa. To reply, just type in casa. Now, as you can see, it's like talking to someone. It's like talking to your teacher. Muy bien, casa means house in Spanish. Here is a slightly harder word, mano. So mano is technically a hand in Spanish. So it's actually a good teacher for me. A good startup teacher. So correcto, kosher means car in Spanish. Cincuenta palabra, huevo. I think huevo is egg. Let's try it out. And please take note, let's go back to the first one. Those first words are English, right? The more you get on with the process, a little bit of the words turn to Spanish, and so on and so forth. There's a progressive state here. And as you can see on this egg, most of it are in Spanish already. So this one is going to be on Spanish. Muy bien, huevo means egg in Spanish. Vamos al retiro, un poco la dificultad. So that's gato, that means cat. So as you can see, as we progress, everything turns to Spanish. Except for this specific phrase, of course. So that's going to be a good one. Let's try GPT-4. Help me practice my Spanish vocabulary. Let's see how it works. So of course, I'd be happy to help you practice your Spanish vocabulary. Let's start with some basic words. I'll provide the English word and you can provide the Spanish translation. So as you can see right here, GPT-4 isn't really teaching us, so I'm not saying that GPT-4 is really bad. However, compared with Claude, Claude has this interaction. It's like you're talking with someone. But with GPT-4, it's gonna ask you to choose, or rather research this specific Spanish word. For example, house, let's try casa. Okay. Great start. Casa is the Spanish word for house. Now let's continue. Cat, dog, family. So once I click on casa, it eliminated house from the list. Now it's only 9. However, again, this is not, personally, for me, it's not really helpful. I'd rather choose Claude because of the interaction. So that's 1 point for me for Claude. Next one, let's go back to the main page. And then I want to let you know that this specific feature is the one that I love about Claude so much. Let's try it out. I have a sample text here. For example, this one right here that says sample 1. Let's just type in bulletize, okay? Bulletize this into 10 bullets, okay? So I just added a file, which is a text file, and told Claude to bulletize it into 10 bullets. So here's the input summary to the 10 bullets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As you can see, this sample right here is a declaration of independence. It's all about the dependence for sample 1, which is Claude summarized it into 10 bullets. Now let's try it with ChatGPT, okay? So I'm just gonna type in summarize this into 10 bullets. I'm gonna get the file, drag it over here. Again, nothing happened. Again, one more time just for discussion purposes. So as you can see, ChatGPT is not reading that file. It's not getting it, it's not absorbing it, call it what you like. But ChatGPT for free, or the free version, isn't available to read files, to receive files, which is a huge upside for Claude. Trust me on that one, you want to take note of this one, okay? Next one is uploading 2 files at the same time. So Claude is available for 1 files, right? How about 2 files? Let me just go back right there. I think I clicked it in the wrong web page. So clicking it right here, 2 web page, or rather 2 files, sample 1 and sample 2. Please summarize this, or rather this, into 10 bullets. I want to let you know that sample 1 and sample 2 have very different information. Sample 1 is from independence of the US and sample 2 is on the Philippines. So as you can see here, the 10 bullet points summarizing the key contents or key events in the text. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So since I've asked Claude to summarize each for 10 bullets, it gave me 10 bullets for the American independence and 10 bullets for the Philippines independence. Which is actually, until now, I'm still in awe, I'm still in shock on how it works. Because it's really helpful. It summarized, it combined 2 text files into 10 or rather 20 bullet forms or bullet points, 10 each for the topics, which is actually a very good feature. Now let's try it out with ChatGPT 4. Summarize this into 10 bullet points. Okay? Easy as that. I'm just gonna copy the 2 and drop them over here. So nothing happened again. Let's just try one more. How about on the middle part over here? So still nothing's happening. Just a clear sign that GPT-4 or GPT is not really available in absorbing documents for the free version. So basically you need to pay it on the paid version. I think that's $20 per month, if I'm not mistaken. That's correct. $20 per month to get that feature, which Claude gives for free. That is actually a good one. Now one more feature that I love about Claude is actually Claude can get, or it can handle 75,000 words as an input, which is actually 3 times greater than GPT-4 or ChatGPT. Okay? Now let's compare it one more time. How about let's go on the field of coding. Let's go back on the web page and let's try give me a JavaScript or code for, let's just say create me a code for tic-tac-toe. Now let's do the same thing with ChatGPT. Create me a code for tic-tac-toe. So as you can see, this Python code is still being created with Claude, and actually it's a very fast one, a very fast response. Now let's go back to GPT-4. So basically they're the same thing regarding coding. That's actually both points for them. However, I'm still leaning on Claude regarding those features or regarding the files. That's actually a very good one. I still can move on from it. And by the way guys, those are basically the features that I can give you regarding Claude. It's really up to you where you get from here now, because the limit here is to use your imagination, use it well, use it properly, and I think Claude right now has a paid version to get you more features, which is gotta be on the near future. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.